All right, this is to help anybody who is trying to retrofit a Bonfilioli final drive into a case 445 CT, replacing Rexroth 2-speed final drive with the Bonfilioli 2-speed final drive. This other side is still the Rexroth. So for the, what would be the driver's side, left side, this is the correct configuration with the brake towards the back as well as the return towards the back, and the 2-speed inlet towards the front. I hooked the bottom one up first because you can't get to it after you put the rest of the hoses in, and I didn't use any of the extensions. It looks like the top one, I'm going to have to use the extension. There's a little bit of play on the hydraulic lines to be able to get it to position into place. They send these adapters with it, so there's just an extension piece. So I think just with that one in place, I can get it to couple right onto there. As far as which lines are which, this larger one so I guess it's a medium size, I believe is the return, and then the brake was at the back, on the back side of the Rexroth, and it's still at the back of the Bonfilioli. And I'll just hook right up to there. I didn't really have to modify that line much. I did have to use these flex adapters to get the return into the spot where it goes, but it comes with 90, so you can turn them any direction. The 2-speed, I will also use a flex and probably go back. I'll take another video when I get done.